Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver now trading at a level of around $32.270. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, we have seen a clear U pattern is forming in this particular range. After that we have seen a fall. Now it is trying to go upside, but we have not seen that it has crossed up this particular high, but it is continuously on the downside. Okay, there is a clear U pattern has formed. After that it is trying to go down. Okay, so but if you look at the 15-minute chart, it is different. On a day wise chart it is different. Okay, and there is a pattern that after making this particular high, we have seen the fall has come. So if the price keep moving below a level of 31.5 or 4, we can see there can be a further fall. Okay, but if the price started sustaining above a level of 33.8, we can see it will go further upside, and from there it will cross a level of 34.7 and then a further high we can see. Okay, but if you look at this trend, what we have seen, silver mostly trades in a zone. So when this zone breakout happens, we have seen there is an upside. Okay, so there is a higher chances of going further high if the price sustain above a level of $33.8. But if it started falling below 31.5, a further downfall we can see. Silver's price depends on a lot of factors. Okay, dollar index is one of them. Fed interest rate and CPI data and all these factors are there, but I'll explain you with the help of dollar index. See, dollar index is inversely related to silver. Okay, so when silver goes up, the dollar index started going up, we see the silver price goes down, and if the dollar index started going down, we see the silver price goes up. Let's see how the dollar index is moving. See, dollar index now trading at a level of $100.9. A swing has formed. There is a continuous upside. So if the price sustain above this level, probability of going towards 101.2 we can see, and if that sustain, we can see it will cross a level of 101.9. Okay, and this level is already weak, so we can see the price will go further upside, and from there it will touch a level of 102.7, and if that sustain, we can see the price will go towards $103.2. Okay, and if the price going above that particular level, chance of going towards 103.2, from there a level of around 103.7 we can see, and from there a level of $104.4. Okay, and then a further upside we can see. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards 100.3, from there a level of $99.9. And if the price falling below this level, it will fall below a level of 98.9 to a level of $97.9. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see there can be a further fall. Going back on the silver price, what we can see the silver price now trading at a level of $32.2. So if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it will fall further down towards next support, that is 31.9, and if it started going below this level, chance of touching 31.6 we can see. And this is already being a weak support, so we can see the price will fall further low and it will touch a level of $31. And once the price falling below that particular level, chance of going further down we can see towards a level of around 30.7, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards that we can see at a level of $30.1. Okay, and suppose if the price falling below that level, chance of going towards 29.8, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 29.5, and then a further downfall we can see. Okay, but as I've already explained you, market is uncertain, so you have to understand, suppose if the price sustain this level. See, what we have seen, the silver moving in this particular zone for quite some time, you can say from 4 weeks, and a probability can be high. Move above a level of 33.4, a further upside, there is a probability of further upside. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see the next level coming at a level of 32.7, which is already being tested. So chances are high the price will move further high and it will touch a level of 33.2. Again 33.2 is also being tested, so we can see the price will move further high and it will touch a level of $33.5, and if that sustain, we can see it will touch a level of 33.7. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so chances of going towards a level of 34.2 we can see, and if the price going above that particular level, chances of crossing a level of around 34.4 we can see, and from there it will move above a level of 34.6. Then there will be a zone breakout, so probabilities will be high, it will cross above a level of 35, and then a further upside we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.